Hey everybody, welcome to a new video. Well, today I'm going to install a wireless CarPlay adapter in our 2020 Acura RDX. Stay tuned. DoVict reached out to me and asked me to try their new wireless CarPlay charger. And I thought that's perfect for this car because although it has CarPlay, you have to plug in your phone. So I figured I'd give it a try. So it arrived in the mail and there will be a link in the description from Amazon. I'll go ahead and open this and take a look at it. I'm not sure what to expect, but I have a feeling this is going to be pretty simple. After opening the box, it does include some instructions and they're pretty simple. It looks like 3 steps. So here's the little interface with the USB adapter. And where this goes, in this particular car, and yours may be different, but in this particular car, in the center console here, you would plug in your phone to have wired CarPlay. So I guess all you have to do is just set this up, plug this in, which we will do. I'll start the car and then we'll go through the pairing process. Okay, with this plugged in, it's very low profile, and it does come with a USB and a USB-C connection, depending upon what your car takes. I'm not sure if this particular car has a USB-C connection or not. I don't normally drive this. So there it is right there. And as soon as I plugged it in, this popped up on the screen. Sorry for the flashing, that's the refresh rate of the LED. So it did notice it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pair my phone to this, and we'll see what happens after I do that. Okay, well, after I plugged that in, it was a very simple pairing procedure, and just follow these instructions here. Very, very simple to do, and the car recognized the unit right away. And up on the screen, again, I apologize for the flashing with the LED screen, but if you are familiar with CarPlay at all, everything pops right up. Now this appears to operate exactly the same as my 2021 Chevy Silverado right there, which is wireless native from the factory. And you know, in this particular car, you would just, you know, depending upon your car, you know, you just use this touchpad here and you can scroll all the way through. It's actually very simple. That, again, that flashing of the screen's annoying. It's obviously not doing that in person. But, so I mean, that's all there is for this. This thing is very simple. And it will seemingly auto-connect once I start the car. Now, I guess time will tell the longevity of this. Hopefully it's not going to become glitchy. You know, a lot of these type of products do, but you know, for the price of this, which was very reasonable, again, there'll be a link in the description. It seems like it's really the answer to what should have come from the factory anyway. So again, we can just scroll through and change everything. Your particular car may have, you know, a touch screen. This one doesn't. A lot of Japanese cars and German cars for some reason don't have touch screens, but not a problem. So again, link in the description, and I know I'm going to enjoy using this. So until next time, we'll catch you on the flip side.